Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to crop a video in Alight Motion application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up the Alight Motion app and make sure to sign into your account, and then open up a project or create a new project you'd like to work on. Once you've opened up your project, you will be able to see this preview page. There isn't a specific crop tool in Alight Motion, but you can achieve cropping effect using a combination of shapes and layer masking features. In this video, I'm going to show you two different methods how you can achieve that crop effect. Method 1 is using a shape. Once you open up your video preview, go ahead and tap on your video timeline at the bottom of the screen like this, and then tap on the Edit Shape option at the bottom. Once you do that, just go ahead and adjust the shape or size of the video by simply dragging the slider just like that. As you can see that the video size has now been changed. Simply drag the slider and corner of the images just like that in order to apply the crop effect or a similar effect on your video. Another way you can crop or gain the similar effect as cropping on your video is by using the transform tool. After you open up your video preview, go ahead and select the video and then look for an option where it says move and transform at the bottom left. Now once you get to the move and transfer tool, you can use the position scale at the middle of the screen, right where you can see swipe here to move layer. And once you do that, you will be able to position your content according to your preference, just like that. You can also zoom in and zoom out your video preview on the screen in order to achieve similar cropping effect. Simply select the portion of the video you would like to include, and once you are done with it, you can then export the video by tapping on the export icon at the top right corner and selecting your video type and tapping on export in order to achieve cropping effect on your video in Alight Motion. So that's how you can easily crop videos on Alight Motion, or in this case you can say achieve similar effect as crop. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.